Parrot wisdom, speak your truth, and embrace vibrancy. Today, the parrot comes into your life as a vibrant symbol of communication, joy, and authenticity. It reminds you of the power of your voice and encourages you to speak your truth with clarity and kindness. The parrot calls you to use your words to uplift yourself and those around you, creating harmony through honest expression. Parrots also represent the beauty of diversity and the importance of embracing the full spectrum of life. Their brilliant feathers inspire you to celebrate individuality while infusing your days with color, creativity, and passion. What brings your joy? The parrot encourages you to embrace those moments and allow your spirit to shine. This wise creature also teaches the importance of listening. It prompts you to be mindful of the words and energy you absorb, ensuring they align with your highest good. Just as the parrot mirrors the world around it, you too reflect the energies you choose to engage with. Today, let the parrot inspire you to communicate with love, embrace life's vibrant possibilities, and honor the beauty of your voice. Speak with intention, listen deeply, and trust the wisdom within you. Your affirmation. I embrace my voice and express my truth with joy, love, and authenticity.